The clock back to 1966. This one with a lot of custom touches. A 1966 Volkswagen Beetle.
Well, this one's a long way from the bug my dad drove when I was a kid. But this is the last year, 1966 Ford, the large bolt pattern on the wheels. You can see these are aftermarket. I think they're probably American Racing or maybe MP 5-spoke mag wheels. Of course, it's been denuded of its front bumper. Little Nerf bars have been added. But a very cool, a classic SoCal look bug.
Yeah, I love the Nerf bars. I love the parking lights in the headlight enclosure there. And Steve, I'm not big on Beetle mania. When did the big windshield come into being?
You know, I think around 64 or so. But, you know, every single year there were many small changes made to the bug. A lot of folks think, oh, it's all the same. But there were dozens, maybe hundreds of changes made to these cars year by year.
Now, this has the big front and rear window. Not yet the big, really big tail lights, although these are bigger than where they started. This one's been lowered, and yeah, there's a good bit of MV equipment under here, including the air cleaners on those dual downdraft Webers. So wow.
That's nice. Each bank gets to breathe from its own carburetor instead of sharing a centrally located carburetor. That improves efficiency and horsepower. It's probably about a 60 or 70 horsepower engine right there.
See a degree wheel there on the crank. A lot going on here and a lot of value.
And when you think about what it cost to build it, $14,500 for a 1966 Volkswagen Beetle with all those custom touches, 2100cc engine.